Hi there, I have a few products from Black Paris to share with you, and their aesthetic is just on point. It matches my home so well. I absolutely love it. And it's actually really hard sometimes to find all black items that are just such a nice high quality material. So let's get started with the black water bottle. So here is the bottle. It's beautiful and sleek and has a really nice unique texture on it as well. Very like smooth and soft. And then it has the Black Paris logo on it with a little more shiny material. And then the top is a screw top and has a carabiner clip, so you can easily clip this onto your bag. Next, I have the black playing card set, and this is just stunning. This would make such a nice gift. It comes in beautiful, heavy-duty, sleek packaging. You get 2 playing card decks and dice, all black, of course, and very sleek. These dice are beautiful. I've never seen anything like it. Really nice packaging. The attention to detail is so nicely thought out. And then this is just such a cool playing card set. Really catches the light nicely where you could see all the different cards. So that is just so cool. And lastly, we have this black notebook, which comes again, so nicely packaged in this box. All of these would make awesome gifts. And then on the inside, it comes with a thank you card. It comes with a black cloth as well. And then the notebook and 2 pens. And look how cool, all black pages, and it comes with a metallic gold and a metallic silver pen. So you have everything you need. You could see these so visibly on the black paper. It's just really cool and a really nice accent piece for your desk. So if you're looking for high quality, sleek, and modern products, Black Paris is the way to go.